This one basically rises the land from water. The less roughness you have on this measurement, the more roundly those coastlines will be generated. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of my Wonderdraft tutorials. In this episode, we will learn how to create lands with 4 main tools in Wonderdraft. So to create lands in Wonderdraft, we need to go to the left panel and click lands here. On this part, we will have these options, and this one and these two I will show on the next episode. I want to dedicate this one to show you the 4 main tools. This is the first one. It is called Landmass Brush, and the shortcut for that is Z. And I highly recommend you to learn these shortcuts because on the long run, they will save you so much time and make the program much more practical to use. So I picked this one, and if I use it, basically it will give me the coastlines matching the shape of my brush and size, which is round. So this is the first tool, and the second tool is Landmass Eraser. This one also matches the shape and size of the brush, but this one erases the lands, as you can see. And the third tool is the Landmass Rise. The shortcut for that is C. This one basically rises the land from water and create natural random coastlines. On the right panel, when you choose this option, you have the brush size, but additionally you have roughness measurement. The more you increase the roughness, the more sharp your coastlines will be, and the less roughness you have on this measurement, the more roundly those coastlines will be generated, as you can see. And our final 4th tool, main tool, that we will be mostly using is the Lower Landmass tool. You just come on top of it, wait a little, and it will remind you the shortcut for it. So this one also, what it does is it does the exact opposite of rising lands. This one lowers them. We can lower those coasts smoothly or sharply. So these are the 4 main tools in Wonderdraft that we will be mostly using to create lands. On this next episode, I will show you the other 3 tools to create lands, which will help you to create random maps, random coastlines, color them, or cut and copy them. Let's reveal it. So land effects, it may not be the right term to describe them. Lasso texture and color. So let's jump on the next episode and learn a bit of the more detailed tools to create lands. See you on the next one. Bye.